Y'all better leave them innocent people alone. So if you're a victim of financial abuse, domestic violence, stalking, or fraud, especially being targeted by a group of individuals, which is where RICO law comes into play, you're gonna have to look it up. I am not here to do the work for you. You're gonna have to do your own research, learn your rights, learn your laws, but you can accomplish it pro se. If you are a victim, gather your evidence, document everything, dates, times if you can, and when you're ready, take out a restraining order. When you do this, do your research. I cannot stress it enough. Trust me, the first time I tried doing it, I fucked up because I didn't understand how shit worked yet, and I was in fear. You have to talk to them the way the system does to get them to listen. You cannot go in there explaining like you're talking to a friend. Please, for the love of God, do not show these motherfuckers any mercy when filling out those papers. Confiscate their pew-pews. They are responsible for hurting you. They don't need them anyways. They're clearly showing you that your life does not matter. Seize it all. Use that restraining order to take out a lawsuit. From there, especially if there's like inheritance fraud or property fraud, you can obtain the property of the abuser and completely take it over. Because if they couldn't control themselves enough around somebody else's shit or around you, don't deserve to walk free because they're gonna do it again. It becomes an addiction, just like anything else. And they will continue doing it until they get caught. So if you want to do the right thing and seek out justice, the only way you can really obtain what was taken from you. When you go to fill out an affidavit, get the affidavit and the evidence notarized and filed. You can usually do this at the clerk of court. When you go to try to file the restraining order, list the rights that they violated. And if there's too many, pick the worst ones. The ones that you know get the court's attention. Because let me remind you, all this shit is illegal as fuck. It don't matter what your family says, it don't matter what your friends say, a lot of people can be involved. And the best part is the flying monkeys or the people that helped abuse you can get sued too. So if you have evidence of random people threatening your life, trying to harass you, trying to help abuse you, trying to stalk you, trying to lie on you, you have evidence of this, go ahead and file that lawsuit too. I cannot stress it enough. Do your own research. Do not expect others to do the work for you. You will lose. You have to be educated enough to do it yourself. That's the only way you can guarantee winning. Because remember, some of these people that stole the inheritances have money and they can pay off your lawyer to fuck you. That's why I don't agree with the lawyers. If you feel confident enough you can take them down with a lawyer, do so. Don't forget, you can request a lawyer through the court, through financial aid. I didn't get approved because, again, didn't know what I was doing, but here's a chance for you to get ahead. And in some cases, you can request a jury. From my understanding, the court doesn't like funding a jury, so they might just give you the case. You get a jury, you've got a much better chance of winning. Please get your evidence together, do your research, sue them. Sue the shit out of them. They deserve it. You deserve peace and a life where you're not being targeted, all because you're innocent and you learned the truth. It's not wrong of you to want justice. It even says in the Bible that God will help you get it, as long as you're willing to seek it. I'm telling you this strictly from my own past experiences of being drug around the court system for needing help and protection from my abusers, and from discussing the topic with other people from all around the world who have went through similar things and won. It's not impossible. They just want you to think it is, so you stay stuck in the fucking cycle. Hopes you give up. So don't, because that's where a lot of people get fucked up. The craziest part about my case, I probably would have let them get away with stealing the property and stuff if they would have left my kids alone. But the fact they took my kids from me is just pushing me way harder. I won't stop until it's done. No matter how many times they try to knock you down, do not give up. Because they can win all the little battles. You got to make sure you're ready to win the war. If you truly are a generational curse breaker, it's up to you to break the curse. You guys got this. Love you guys.